Gotta love the magnificent trees and lush foliage in our area. It's beautiful to behold, but it can also be dangerous to your home's power. Let's find out why. Trees, shrubs, vines, and other foliage can grow into power lines and equipment, causing potential outages during normal weather events. Hi, I'm Carrie with EPB, and you may have seen our crews out trimming trees in your neighborhood. That's because continuous trimming helps keep limbs from downing power lines due to high wind, ice, lightning, and even heavy rain. But when are trees trimmed? How are they trimmed, and who does it? Well, let's find out from our leading arborist on the EPB Energy Pros team, George Morgan. Hi, George.
Hi, Carrie.
Okay, so George, tell us, when do we trim trees?
We trim trees year-round. We employ a group of utility arborists. They're trained to work around trees and power lines. They trim the limbs back to a safe distance to provide a safety for our community as well as reliable services for our customers.
So who does the trimming? You mentioned utility arborists.
There's, yes, a group of specially trained arborists that trim trees around energized power lines.
So they know what they're doing.
That's right.
That's important. All right, so I've always wondered, where do all the trimmings go?
Well, it's a good question. About 95% of them go back to the community in either commercial composting or to go to schools or nature trails or even to your garden.
Okay, that's wonderful. And you can request EPB to come out and trim trees around your power lines. You can fill out the special request form on EPB.com, use our live chat or email, or call us at 423-648-1372 anytime, day or night. We'll send an arborist out to inspect the lines on your property and let you know if tree work needs to be done right away or if it can wait until we perform routine trimming. So George, do you have any tips for planting?
Yes. We really would rather you not plant any tree under a power line.
Sure.
But for lower growing species like a dogwood or a crepe myrtle, you can plant those 15 feet away from the power line.
Okay.
Medium growing trees like a redbud or some hollies that grow 30 feet, plant them back 40 feet.
Okay.
A tall growing tree like an oak or a southern magnolia, plant it back at least 60 feet or more. And always be sure before you dig to call 811.
Okay, make sure if you do that because you're going to save yourself a lot of trouble later.
Exactly right.
So is there anything besides tree trimming that EPB can do to help better protect power lines?
Well, EPB is currently putting power lines in new areas wherever possible underground. Sometimes we're asked why not put them all underground. With thousands of miles of power lines, that's going to take some time.
It's a huge undertaking, right?
It's a huge
project
undertaking.
over a long period of time.
Exactly.
That you're working on.
However, if you want your power lines underground, you can contact an energy pro at EPB and they'll come out and talk with you about the option.
Okay, that's great. Thanks, George. Keep in mind, our EPB Energy Pros can give you great advice for properly planting different varieties of trees and shrubs. In fact, they can offer helpful advice on anything energy related. All you have to do is give us a call. Be sure to watch our other videos in this series on all sorts of energy related topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.